Have you ever wanted to convert an entire YouTube playlist into MP3 files? In this video, I'll show you two simple and practical methods to convert a full YouTube playlist into MP3 format step by step. Make sure you only download content you own or have permission to use. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Download first, then convert to MP3. First, log into your account and open YouTube Studio. Go to the Content section. From there, click on Playlists. You'll see a list of all your available playlists. Find the playlist you want to convert and click on it to open it. Now, download all the videos in that playlist to your computer. Make sure every video you want to convert is saved locally. Once your videos are downloaded, open any video converter. Drag and drop all the downloaded videos to Format Convert. After importing your videos, go to the right side of the Output Profile section, and then select MP3 as your output format. If you want better audio quality, you can adjust the advanced settings below. Once everything is set, click the Convert button. The software will begin processing your files. When it's finished, you'll have a complete MP3 version of your entire playlist. Method 2. Download directly as MP3. The second method is even simpler. Instead of downloading videos first and converting them later, you can use the Video Download tool in any video converter that supports full playlist downloads and allows you to choose the output format in advance. The tool will automatically download and convert all videos into MP3 files in one process. So those are two effective ways to convert a YouTube playlist into MP3 files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.